Hey folks, you can always tell when I've been up all night because my computer is burning. I couldn't sleep last night. I was too preoccupied with my new TV channel. Please come and subscribe my OnlyFans, tattoo and aesthetics and all things just keep fit and healthy for musicians particularly. So we're doing lots of isometric exercises which are really good for just that, keeping those muscles really flexible but strong, not wasting away because you've been hunched over your piano or hunched over your engineering desk or hunched over your cello, whatever it is that you've got. Okay, so really, really important. It's only a month. Sorry, it's like £1.25 a week. That's great, isn't it? And you're going to get so much free stuff. So there'll be ringtones over there as well, but all sorts of things. Really, really good fun. Good, clean fun, I hasten to add, because OnlyFans, obviously, there's a lot of stuff on there that isn't necessarily as clean as one might hope. But it is not my place to judge, and I just want to present, my body as it gets tattooed, because remember I'm doing all my legs, and I don't want all my legs on YouTube, and I don't want anyone under 18 viewing how to tattoo themselves, because I can just foresee loads and loads of really upset parents, so I'm not going to do that on YouTube. Anyway, what have I got for you? I've got an angelic punky dance female vocal. Angelic punky, you say? I know, weird, huh? But when you hear it, you'll go, oh yeah, I know what she means. So here we go. No musical instruments, just double drums. I'm obsessed with double drums. And I've got that lovely fast beat going on as well, which I really like. So the posh version is over on my Pond 5. And this is the not posh version, which is absolutely fine. You won't notice the difference, especially on a phone. So there you go, folks. That's it. I'll see you over on my OnlyFans page, I hope.